There is a new mood in the air. Mindless consumerism is out and conscious purchasing is in. As we all make more efforts to go eco, it is time to turn your attention to your retro. This is why Intergravity was born. It is estimated that the fashion industry is responsible for 1,750 million tons of CO2 emission, 92 million tons of waste, and the consumption of 79 billion cubic meters of water. We need to make a change. Intergravity is the conscious eco-brand that focuses on creating sustainable, comfortable, and functional designs. By using responsible fabrics and sustainable methods, our clothing are made to last for longer than a single season. We have studied the way in which fabrics are made to ensure all our clothing are durable and soft to the skin. Our fabric is made by high-density wave, so that our clothing have anti-tearing and anti-scratch strength. Owning a garment with a longer lifespan means that you buy less, flow away less, and cause less damage to our environments. At Intergravity, we only use biodegradable, organic, and recycled fabric. All our organic cotton yarns are certified by Global Organic Textile Standard. Our recycled polyester yarn is made from recycled plastic bottles, and all our dye materials are Oeko-Tex Standard 100 approved and contain no substance that may be harmful to humans and our ecology. For sustainable garments care, we have applied a polygen treatment to all of our products so they stay fresh and contain an antimicrobial and auto-control finishing approved by Bluesign. This allows you to wear more, wash less, to decrease the water footprints from frequent washing. Our designs have applied the classical oriental cut and integrated with modern functional fits to provide the best coziness for wearers. We believe everyone can be stylish and minimize environmental impacts at the same time. Thank you for your support and hope we can make the world better together.